Hi, my name is Heather Colm. I'm one of the admissions representatives here at Mitchell Tech. We do have a 99% job placement rates for our students upon graduation. The reason that's so high is because those students have the skills to go ahead and be successful in that industry. So the programs available here at Mitchell Tech are highly in demand, meaning they're not going to go anywhere. When you come to those technical colleges, you're also going to see more hands-on experience. Typically, we have about 60% hands-on, 40% is still going to be those lecture times. We see students that come into Mitchell Tech are very goal-oriented, so they know what they want and they're coming here to achieve those goals. We see students from all sorts of backgrounds. Typically, those that really seek out those technical experiences are the ones that like hands-on. So they want to come in and they want to be seeing what they're going to be doing long-term.
I'm James Klein from Lemon, South Dakota, and I'm a second-year progressive welding student at Mitchell Tech. I figured that welding would be a good career to get into because welding, you can get a job anywhere in the country, anywhere in the world, realistically. So I decided to come here, sharpen my skills, and go out in industry and make some money doing it. There's always going to be a demand for welding. Stuff's always being constructed, stuff's always needs repairs, stuff breaks, you got to fix it. That's going to happen no matter what in this world. So I think there's always going to be a need for a welder. I really like going to school in Mitchell. They have a good balance between classroom and lab time. We go through the classroom, learn all the code book and NDT processes and all the ins and outs of that, and then we get plenty of time in the lab. I'm really happy that I chose to come to Mitchell Tech, and I feel that compared to other tech schools, this is the best choice for me. Mitchell Tech prepares me very well for my future plans. They give me a bunch of industry experience. I would recommend Mitchell Tech to everybody. Anything you're interested in, Mitchell Tech would have a program that would fit your desires and your future.
I'm Travis Peterson. I'm the program director for the manufacturing program at Mitchell Technical College. Our manufacturing program has an array of skill development that covers a lot of manufacturing employment opportunities. We are on the higher end of manufacturing training, as in putting yourself into leadership roles and inspection roles. In manufacturing, obviously, you will get your hands dirty. You're in lab your first semester, half of the time on a Monday through Friday with your lecture classes. Why you want to be here specifically is because, one, you will have many choices for employment. Coming to this program, you will always have a job leaving this program, as well as you will have options in manufacturing because what we teach is so diversified.
I'm being my best at Mitchell Tech.
I want to make sure that you will be the best when you come to Mitchell Tech.
You will be your best at Mitchell Tech.